Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix mcUICnt.exe entry point not found. The procedure entry point BCryptHash could not be located using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you need to install two programs. So the programs are Visual CC. So let's just go ahead and open our browser and search for Visual CC. C++, I'm sorry. So just go ahead and click on the first link, which is the Microsoft link. So you want to scroll down here. And if you have x64-bit operating system on your device, just go ahead and click on this. So if you have the 32, you want to click this, okay? So now once you've clicked on that, you need to install it after downloading. And then the next program that you need to install is the DirectX. So now again, click on the Microsoft link and download this program. So after you download this program, just go ahead and install it again on your device, okay? So once you've done that, just go ahead and let's go ahead and proceed on the next way to fix this problem. So you need to uninstall the McAfee on your device. So McAfee, you need to search for McAfee uninstall tool. So let's just go ahead and open this first link. Okay, so let's just wait. So now here you just need to select it. So here you need to select the option 2 here. So just go ahead and click on that and download this so that you can use this tool to remove McAfee software from your Windows PC. Okay, so once you've done that, once you've uninstalled the McAfee on your device, you just need to restart your computer. Okay, you need to make sure that you do these steps so that you won't face any trouble, okay, or problem. So once you've restarted your device, just go ahead and install again this software, which is the McAfee software on your Windows PC. And then after that, you can now proceed on doing what you want to do because this should help you with your problem. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.